Hey guys, so this is actually the first time I'm getting a haircut since Chinese New Year, yay, which was like 5 months ago. As you can see, my hair is like super long and unkept, and so I wanted to make good use of my hair length today by getting a perm and take you guys with me so that you all can see the process of perming a male's hair. As I value your time, I decided to put timestamps in the description below, but I really would appreciate it if you all can stick with me throughout the video and give me more watch time to help my small channel grow. So, see you in the salon. Hey, welcome back to the salon. So, as per usual, you'll get your hair washed once you reach your salon. Okay, so this is when the perming process starts. They'll start by applying like a perming solution onto your hair, and the perming solution was super stinky and smelly, like legit. I couldn't take it, but I hope it was worth it. Then they put this like curling device that I don't know what the name is. They look like toilet paper, and this is how it looks after it's done. So yeah, I asked the person who did my hair to record this for me. Immediately after that, they put this like shower cap looking thing on top of my head and asked me to wait. So this is when the waiting game starts.
Jadi kayak jamur.
Yes, I told the person that I look like a mushroom. At this point, I was like super bored as I was alone, and so I decided to kill time by buying a teh bottle. This is not sponsored. Yes, I decided to kill time by getting this cinematic shot of a teh bottle. Oh yes, delicious. Okay, I changed the music because the previous music ended, so yeah. I'm going to use this time to better explain what happened just now when I reached the salon. So, they asked me whether I wanted large curls, small curls, or medium curls, and I really didn't know how to respond to that question because it's my first time getting a perm. So I showed them this picture of like a handsome Korean looking guy, and I told them, hey, I want to look like this guy. And they were like, oh, this guy has large curls, but then they recommended me to get medium curls because my hair is naturally super duper straight, and if I were to get that large curls, the perm wouldn't last that long, but then I can still achieve that same look with medium curls through a proper blow drying technique. At this point, I was like super bored and I decided to play rock paper scissors with myself, and trust me guys, it's not worth it. It's like you keep on getting draws and you can never win, you can never lose. It's like super lame, just like me, just like my jokes. I'm sorry. Okay, I just burped, I'm so sorry, but after around 1 hour of waiting, the two people who permed my hair finally came back to me and told me that it's time to move on to the next step, which is rinsing the perming solution off my hair. So this is how they did it, with water. This is what happens after the rinsing process is done.
Itu shampoo bukan?
Bukan, netral.
I thought that was a shampoo. Then the person told me that it's called netral. I don't know what that is, but it's like a solution to complete the perming process. So yeah, they applied it onto my hair and asked me to wait again for around 10 minutes for the solution to seep in. The waiting game begins again. To help me kill time, let's play rock paper scissors. This time me and you, so that someone can actually win. Rock paper scissors. Rock paper scissors. Tell me if you win. Comment down below. Okay, after 10 minutes of waiting, the person finally removed my rolling device thingy, and at this point I was like super duper nervous of how it's gonna turn out. As you can see, my hair turned into like giant strands of hair, and right after that they washed my hair, and this was a very confusing process for me because, okay, I'll explain that later, because my nose was itchy and I tried to pick it but I couldn't because I was wearing a mask. So yeah, Mr. Google said that after a perm, you're not supposed to wash your hair for 48 hours, but the salon did it anyways. So in the end, once I reached home, I washed my hair because yeah, the salon did it. As you can see here, I was like super nervous of how my hair would turn out, I don't think you can actually see, but I was super nervous, and this is how my hair looked like at a half dried state, and it was too curly for my liking at that point of time. So finally my barber came to me, and this is what he said about my curled hair, which means you look Korean. Haha. So now my barber is trying to give me a 2-block cut, which he said is good for this hair type and style. It's like a Korean style where the sides are short but then the top remains quite long. So I'm going to fast forward these cutting clips, and you can just enjoy watching nervous Raymond and enjoy the music. Finally, the blow drying process. It's the process I've been waiting for, because they say that after this process, the curls on my hair will be tamed and my hair would just be wavy and nice. Let's just see. Okay, so what he's doing here is he's using his round brush and his blow dryer to blow and brush my hair at the same time. I'm so bad at explaining stuff, but yeah, I really don't know what he's doing, because I tried to redo what he's doing at home and I really couldn't do it, but he's actually doing a really good job. Like, let's just see how it looks at the end. Ta-da! Okay, I think he really did a good job here. Like, he's trying to go for that like center part Korean look, and yeah, it looks amazing. This whole process costed me around 500,000 rupiahs, which is $50 SGD, 400 for the perm and 80 for the cut. Yes. So I tried a different style, and take note that I'm not using any hair products on my hair at all. It stays in place and it's naturally very voluminous and textured and simply amazing. All thanks to the perm and the barber and the permer and my parents who paid for it. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't skip the video first. I'm going to throw this small paper ball, and if it lands into that cup, you're gonna have to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let's see. Do as promised.